Newton's laws are a set of rules in physics that were discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. His first law, the law of inertia, states that an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by a force. One example of this is when you use a seat belt. If you had an accident and didn't have on your seatbelt, you wouldn't stop moving forward because there isn't a force that stops you. The seatbelt slows inertia, so the crash won't hurt you. This is the force needed to stop your moving body. Inertia explains why roller coasters are so enjoyable. Inertia wants to go in a certain direction, and when that is quickly and constantly changed, it causes adrenaline rushes. The adrenaline rushes are what gives us excitement, like how Kevin Hart is enjoying the roller coaster.
Newton's second law, the law of force and acceleration, states that the greater the mass, the more force it takes to move it. For example, it requires less force to throw a softball than it does a basketball, because the softball has a lighter weight.
Newton's third law, the law of action and reaction, states that for every action, there is a reaction. When tectonic plates move and cause earthquakes, buildings fall. The movement of the plate, which is the action, causes the building to fall, which is the reaction. When a rocket is launched, thermal energy is produced to exert a force upon the rocket. The action is producing the heat, and the reaction is the rocket being propelled into the sky.
The laws of force and motion explains everything that happens on the earth. Everything put in motion had a force acting upon it. Newton's laws of force and motion give the world an understanding on how and why everything moves.